A popsicle without a mold, needing just 3 ingredients and ready in 3 minutes. In a container, we will start by adding 200 grams of cream and 200 grams of condensed milk, and we will mix it all very well. Now we just have to set it aside. Here I will use white gold bonbons, but you can use the candy of your choice. Then we simply start breaking all this candy. You can crush it with whatever you have at home. Once the candy is well crushed, we take it, open it, and place a popsicle stick in the middle. Repeat this process with the rest of the candies and make sure they can stand upright. I'm going to place them inside a glass. Now we just pour our mixture into each candy. That's it. Now we place it in the freezer until it hardens. And there you have it, our little white gold candy popsicle is ready and it looks delicious. Now you just unmold it and enjoy. In this hot weather, there's nothing better than a popsicle to cool off. And best of all, they are super quick to make, easy, and cost very little. I hope you liked it. This was another recipe from me in the kitchen. Until next time, and thank you.